Okay guys, so I went to Aldi and Target today to get some groceries. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. Got some tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, celery for soup. We got 2 bags of Pink Lady apples. The Pink Lady is my favorite kind of apples. I have to get 2 bags because Ivy likes to take a couple bites and throw them to the dogs. So I got 2 bags of those. I got 4 avocados, but we did already eat one, Ivy and I. We're trying to get away from eating the fake meat, the plant-based meat. It isn't great for you, and we are trying to eat healthier and save money and budget better. So we're trying to get less vegan meat. Yeah, Ivy. And then we got some vegetable broth since I'm making some soup this week. I got some organic coffee. Organic coffee. Coffee has a lot of pesticides in it, so we do try to buy organic coffee, some bananas, pineapple, some mushrooms. Ivy loves these little raisins. She likes the little boxes the most. Alright, so we got some green lentils for the soup. I get these pita breads. They are super good. They are gone so quick. They only had 1 package of them. Normally I get like 3 or 4 of them. Some roasted pumpkin seeds. Some old-fashioned rolled oats. Some organic coconut oil. We got these, but Ivy ate a lot of them already. She loves these, the mini chocolate chip cookie dough bars. And then we got some Nature's Bakery fig bars. The fig flavor, and then also the raspberry. She's eating one of these right now. We got some beans. We already have a lot of beans. I just had to get some more of these ones. Great Northern beans, and then black beans. Some seasoning, cinnamon, onion powder, and garlic powder. And then some salt and pepper. Got some teas at Target. The passion tea I always drink, but the elderberry blackberry one is a new flavor I'm trying out. Some organic ketchup. I got 3 things of almond milk and 1 thing of oat milk. I put the oat milk in my coffee. The almond milk we use for smoothies, cereal, granola, whatever. And then we got some frozen strawberries and mangoes and blueberries for smoothies. And we have a ton of frozen broccoli. These things are really nice because you can just throw them in the microwave and they steam them, and it's perfect for, it takes 6 minutes. So really easy. And some spinach and kale for the smoothies as well. Okay, so this is a before. Very messy. Oh, Ivy's trying to help put some of my stuff away. Ivy, are you my helper? What are those, mushrooms? Okay, so, yep. Very, very unorganized and very messy. Hi guys, so I'm about to clean out my fridge and put all my groceries away. So I'm not really looking forward to this because this is like my least favorite chore to do, but we gotta get it done.